Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Here today shooting a 360 video. What that's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to scroll around the entire vessel. You don't have to continue to look at me. Use your mouse or your fingers. You can zoom in, zoom out, take in this beautiful vessel that we're going to showcase to you here today. This is a 2005 42-foot Sea Ray 420 Sedan Bridge. Beautiful boat. We're now in the salon area, as you can tell here. Look at the great seating we have in here. Got a nice love seat over here, starboard side, port side. We've got the three-seated couch that also folds into a double berth, which is real nice. Got these extra seating here, so if you got the kids out with you, these kind of slide right out. Kind of nice. Up top, we've got a nice settee up top there. It's 2 steps up. Television, DVD player, CD player over there. This boat has had some upgrades, $80,000 worth of upgrades, primarily in the engines where they've got rebuilt diesel Cummins engines, only 200 hours on those engines. Also, bottom paint was just done, new bronze rudders were just done. Let's take you through a tour down into the galley area. So the galley's 2 steps down, well-appointed galley, as you can see here. We got the fridge freezer combo. Microwave up top. Over here we've got the sink, integrated coffee maker. We got a 2-burner cooktop right here, and lots of great storage on her. And we'll drop down one more step, and we're into the cabins. Here we have a first cabin, which has 2 single berths, but that will convert to a double berth if need be. Nice size lockers. And then 2 heads aboard her. Head number 1, both have showers, separate showers as well, so you didn't get the floor all wet. And then into the main cabin. Got a smaller screen over there, 2 lockers on either side, and then ensuite head again with a separate shower. Well, let's just run right through the galley again. Nice cupboard space. And we'll go out to the cockpit area. So the cockpit is quite large, as you can see here. And we'll take you out to the swim platform. See how wide it is. It's quite nice, easy access on and off. A tender, which is included with the boat, with a 9.9 Mercury outboard. Barbecue off the back. See the molded stairs. Real nice. It's a nice feature, not climbing ladders or anything, just walking up stairs. And then up to the Sedan Bridge. What a feature up here is this wonderful seating area. Easily up here you can seat 8 to 10 people. All the electronics one would need, including bow thruster, 2 captain seats. Canvas is in great shape, and isinglass is also in great shape. Nice little hatch door here, so we're going to take you back down. And folks, if you'd like to have a viewing, this boat is moored in Reed Point in Port Moody, and I can be reached at 236-688-6828 or by email brent@vancouveryachtsales.com, or you can check out our website at www.vancouveryachtsales.com. Love to show you this boat. She's a beaut, well maintained, great condition. Talk soon. Hope you enjoyed it.